you please explain more detail about the role of data in this digital age, and also the role of data in the innovation of enterprise focus on about connectivity between the enterprise, the synchronicity between the enterprise.
Well, data is information, and the sooner you have information in real time, and the more accurate that information is, and the more secure that information is, so that you can, as a company leader, take real-time decisions based on that data that you can rely on, and that is secure, and then making decisions in real time is really critical. So on a factory floor, for example, having sensors everywhere, you've got robots, cloud-controlled remote robots, making things, manufacturing things, and being able to have sensors which are not only controlling the robots, but also controlling access to different devices, having tracking of assets across the factory floor, both into the inventory, raw materials, finished goods, work in progress. Know where things are, their status, their condition, and then from a maintenance perspective, being able to do remote maintenance. That's all wirelessly done, of course, using sensors as well. And then, of course, engineers can use digital twin technology, again enabled by 5G, to be able to replicate, duplicate, simulate processes and make changes to processes. Again, in real time, deploying it on the factory floor in real time thereafter. All these type of benefits using AR and VR as well, the engineers can use that also to simulate the factory environment and make changes to the processes for improved efficiency, and then have it deployed, executed immediately. That real-time access and that speed of change makes it easier and more reliable and more efficient and productive to cater for manufacturing, of course. Energy sector, data is super important because it helps integrate renewable energy sources like wind and solar into existing energy grids or power grids. It helps also through real-time access to data and decision making. You can also decide efficiently where power needs to go, where energy is needed, when it's needed, where it's needed, without waste, without time delay, and that also helps reduce carbon dioxide emissions. Data, of course, online training, education, telehealth, contactless convenience, and data. If data is the oil, spectrum or frequency spectrum is the oxygen that ICT industry needs. So you need spectrum, of course, and the beautiful thing about 5G is, and in Ericsson's case specifically, is that we can use existing spectrum that's used in 4G for 5G also. We have this technology called spectrum sharing, and that helps you be able to upgrade your 4G network to 5G using existing spectrum with a remote software upgrade. So that also helps bring 5G to the world faster, and that we call the non-standalone 5G deployment, leveraging the existing 4G infrastructure. So you can sweat the asset, you can use the infrastructure you've already invested in today. And then you have standalone 5G, of course, where you actually build out new 5G infrastructure as a new deployment, and that's where we will see a lot of 5G, in my view, in factories. There's many production factory environments around the world that will benefit from 5G, but also energy grids, transport, healthcare, education, many industries will benefit, fintech, of course, finance.
So thank you very much, Denis, for these opportunities today to discuss about the digital transformation. And it's my great pleasure to be here today to discuss with you.
I've had fun as well. It's been a pleasure for me too.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you very much.